Hey, welcome to another Minecraft video. I'm going to talk about Nether portals today. Let me see if I can turn my sound down though a little bit, so we don't have so much annoying background noise. So this is going to be about how to set your Nether portal hub up. So let's step through here. This is my original portal that I made in the overworld. It's going to bring me out into the roof of the Nether. I'm at Y level 115 here. And let's go down to see. I want to take a quick look here at the portal that Minecraft made for me when I first set up that original portal. All the cobblestone is mine. I put all this in. So this is where Minecraft brought me out when I built the original portal. It's a pretty lousy location. I was sitting on top of gravel and over this, it's a long drop down. Not a very pleasant place, and a lot of trouble from ghasts trying to get around up here. So I didn't really like this location. I went down and explored a little bit down there, and I got some soul sand and I think some magma cubes, and then I wanted to get out of here. So I built a tower, and it took me several trips to finish this thing, but basically I just built a tower, and I did the tower because there's no place here to dig stairs. I couldn't get into the wall really. I could have tried it right there, I suppose, but I wasn't sure if it was going to get me where I wanted to go. So I just decided to do a tower and go straight up. So from here, I'm right here. I'm at level 65, Y level 65. I want to go up to Y level 115. So I just built up to Y level 115. And this, like I said, this took several times, several trips up and down to get all this set up with the ladder and protect it and stuff, but I eventually got it done, and I think I managed to do it without dying. So that was a good day. So I got up to Y level 115, and then I found, before I came up here, I got the the X and Z coordinates of my portal. So I got the X and Z coordinates of my portal, and then I came and found the same X and Z coordinates up here at Y level 115. If you see the looking at block entry here, it'll show you that my portal's at X9, Z42, and I put it on Y level 115. So I created this portal up here, then I went down and I broke out a block in the old portal because I didn't want them to get confused. Came back up here and I lit this portal, stepped through this portal, and if I do, it'll just take me right back out where I came from, back out into the overworld. I won't do that now because it takes a minute. You don't need to watch me walk back and forth through the portal. So now I have a connection from Y level 115 out to my overworld, and I'm able to build tunnels to take me different places. So this one goes to an ocean monument, that goes to a nether fortress, this goes to the stronghold, and I can always go back down through here if I want to go get stuff. So I just left that. I've got carpeting all over the place, so pigmen don't spawn in here. I could have done slabs. Then I can also go up into the ceiling. So it's not very far up to the ceiling. The ceiling's at Y level 127. So this block right here is the ceiling. So I found a place here where I could put a piece of ladder, and then I can just use an ender pearl to go up into the ceiling. And up on the ceiling I've got my gold farm, and I can also, if I want, I could create a rail system up here to get around, but I just do my tunneling down there, and I just use this pretty much just for the gold farm. So to get back down though, once you get up into the ceiling, you got to get back down. You could watch a video on how to punch a hole in the top here, and then you can just walk up and down, or you can just do a portal. So I went to the same Y and Z coordinates for this portal, built this portal. If I step through this portal, it'll take me back out to the overworld, right where I want to be. And I'm back. So now to get back, if I step through here, here's the thing about going from the ceiling. When you go back, it's not going to take you back to the ceiling. It's going to bring you out into the nether. So if you want to get up into the ceiling, you've got to dig up and get up into the ceiling with an ender pearl or a minecart, or however you want to do it. So if I wanted to do like these tunnels, but do them on the ceiling, I could do a rail system up there to take me to the same places. There'll be nether portals at the end of each of these tunnels. I could put those nether portals, I could go up in the ceiling, do a rail system, do a nether portal up on the ceiling, step through that nether portal, and it would bring me out where I wanted to be in the overworld. The only catch is when I come back through that portal from the overworld, it's not going to bring me back up into the ceiling. It's going to bring me back into the nether somewhere, and then I have to set things up in the nether. I'd have to come up and set up my portal in the nether roof if I want it there, or punch through the ceiling and set up another portal in the ceiling to get back and forth. So I don't really do a lot of traveling up from the ceiling. I just dig tunnels in the nether roof to get me around, and then I just use the ability to go through the ceiling as a way to get to my gold farm. So that's how I use it. So it all works. It may be, if you didn't know that stuff about going back and forth and how that all works, it might have been a little confusing. But understanding that, I think you can now set up your own nether hub and get around much more easily in the nether and do your work much more easily in the nether. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.